Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola device. As you can see, I have a Motorola G14, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging board on this device using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never fill up, never clean your USB charging port using metal objects, because using metal objects you can damage your USB charging port, and it's a very bad idea to do it. So I suggest you use a notice brush which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to insert one part of the brush into the connector and just brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.